Yeah, good morning. How you all doing this morning?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Long ride. Oh my God. I never knew this park was here.
Oh yeah? I didn't at first either.
Uh-huh. Oh
I
yeah?
didn't at first either.
You all from out here?
Doing this.
You all from out here?
I live down the road.
Waldorf?
Yeah.
I live down the road.
Oh, you do? Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, my mother used to live out here in Upper Marlboro. All right.
Come on. Come on, come here.
Hey, this is the closest I think I've ever been to a horse.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna put you all on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do powwows. This is my 4th one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I go around and do powwows all over.
All right.
Yes, sir. This is cool though. So I'm glad you already started at 10 because you know.
Well, technically we did, but
Oh, you did?
yeah, we was waiting on everybody to kind of get over.
Oh, I got you. Okay. So is this your what 15th annual?
Man, personally, it's my first one coming up here, but they've been doing this for a long time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Always at this park?
I couldn't answer that truthfully.
Okay. And what's the name of this tribe?
I couldn't tell you.
Oh, you don't know right off?
I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
No, I
Hey,
just.
what's up,
I think
man?
you got a rider.
Yeah. How you doing there?
Good, how are you?
I'm always good. A little tired this morning, long ride, but I'm good. Yeah, I'm waiting for this event to kick off. Hey, what's the name of your tribe over here, you know?
My tribe?
Oh, the tribe here.
I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Oh, you all just participating, helping out?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, go more into the middle.
First one?
No, this is my second.
Oh, yeah? So you did the one last year here? Okay. So you all from here, this area?
No, I'm from DC.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I just moved out here.
Oh, how you like it?
I like it.
Well,
It's
compared to DC,
definitely-
yeah. A lot of people moving out here now from DC. We're here, Waldorf, and maybe a little bit further out.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's all the gentrification going on. But this is cool. I do a lot of powwows. You're going to be on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm serious. Check me out, Tracy, Tracy. Wash your hands, entertainment.
Okay.
You'll see some of my other powwows on there and stuff like that. Yeah. Just go right to your YouTube, throw it right on up in there. So I wanted to see the difference in between what they have here and the other powwows, you know. So, and this lasts to what, 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. This is nice. So they're doing some storytelling in some of these, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got it? You got it?
Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you. I'm going to go down here and see what they're doing. All right.
Women they begin dying in great numbers. Mysteriously, Europeans don't understand what's killing native people, and native people don't understand what's killing them. And we have no resistance, no immunity to European diseases, that long list of European diseases. We've never known viral diseases before Europeans came here to the Americas. Of the estimated 50 to 60 million native people in North America alone, upon contact, probably a low estimate, 95 to 97% of the total native population of North America will eventually die of European epidemics, not warfare. May have thought that at one time. We're not taught these things in our schools. Only 1 to 2% of that population through warfare in trying to protect our families and our hunting lands as you would do. Imagine strangers showing up, a group of them, in your backyard or your backfield. They don't look like you, they don't speak like you, they don't dress like you. And they treat you like second-class citizens, or third class, or little more than their livestock. And they don't ask your permission or offer you anything to do so. You want them to stick around long? And your people start getting sick and their faces fall off eventually. The skin melts from their carcasses. You want them to stick around long? Probably not, is my best guess. So how do you feel Native people, how do you think Native people felt when these strangers first arrived? And you know what they write in their journals? And this is history, folks. No apologies necessary. Let's learn from it. Yes? And let's learn to live together. Learn from history. Let it be that which teaches us, and not repeat the same mistakes again. Unfortunately, it seems like people are repeating the same mistakes over and over and over again. What is that? It's as clear as the nose on your face. How is it we can't learn from it? They write in their journals.
That's it, yeah.
When we encounter these savages,
my name is Flower Lorenzo.
Flower Lorenzo, and where are you from, and what tribe are you with?
Original from El Salvador. I am the
Nice.
Lenca tribe.
Oh yeah, what is the name of it again?
Lenca tribe.
Lenca tribe?
Yes.
Okay, so is this your first powwow here?
Yes.
Oh nice, okay, so where do you all normally have your powwows?
We go in different places.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay, well you gotta check me out on YouTube because you're gonna be on there.
Okay, thank you.
I do powwows too, I go all over. So,
Wonderful.
So can I give you the information or do I need to wait for you to come off of here?
You can wait, I guess.
Oh, I'll wait for you to come
Thank
off.
you.
I got you.
Thank you so much.
Round of applause for Medicine Horse Singers, ladies and gentlemen. And our native staff, and all colors that come in behind, ladies and gentlemen. We are indeed honored to have Ree Miller as she leads in all of our dancers, men and women, our boys and girls, our future, and all styles that they represent. Being that of our traditional dancers, Eastern style, grass dancers. We're talking about our women's traditional, our ladies jingle, ladies and gentlemen. To Mr. Michael Nephew, representing the Haudenosaunee people, the Six Nations of New York and Canada. Indeed honored to have each and every one of them with us. We say yate, Osio, Shio, Hao Kola, Twat Nyatnyeru. Greeting our dancers and you in the various tribal languages of Native America. Just a few, ladies and gentlemen, just a few. That would account for what had taken place. And so when you think about how some of these gatherings, how these ceremonies and situations occurred, is because of the actions of the people and the protection that was provided. Today, we have, again, other items that are brought in that represent what people have fought for, a symbol of people and countries and nations and situations that have taken place amongst those warriors. And so this is why you have these flags that are before you, and truly representing, of course, the state that we live and that we are part in the event that is taking place here today itself. So we ask you to remain standing. We ask you not to take any photographs or equipment because this song is equivalent to any national anthem of any nation or sovereign nation. So with that being said, we go now to Medicine Horse. Gentlemen.